Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this awesome looking jalapeno popper stuffed chicken. Time to grill! So today again a video that will not need many ingredients. Let's get started with some chicken breasts here. We have some high quality chicken breast from my online butchery gourmetfleisch.de. I will put the link in the video description, you can check it out. So these are actually with a higher share of corn while feeding. So in Germany we call this one Maishähnchen, which means corn chicken or something like that if you would translate this word by word. So we're going to take out the chicken breast here, and of course like always you will have two pieces. Get rid of the smaller pieces. The stuffing will only be in the bigger part, but I will tell you what I did with the other part later. So take a sharp knife and get rid of the little bit skin stuff, and then we're ready to take a fresh jalapeno here, get rid of the seeds and the things inside. So this is a smaller jalapeno. Of course you can use bigger jalapenos if you are able to get them. Sometimes it's quite difficult. So this is some Dutch cheese, and yeah, this is like more or less the feeling on how to cut the cheese to get it completely stuffed into the jalapeno. That's the goal for today. Make sure not to stretch it, so otherwise the jalapeno will break. And then take a sharp knife and cut into your chicken breast like so. Take a finger and open up the chicken breast from inside so there's enough space for the stuffed jalapeno. So that's it. I don't know what this looks like, but maybe you have an idea. So then it's easy. If we're gonna put it inside like so, we make sure that the cheese will stay inside the chicken breast. So we're gonna take some bacon here. 3 slices are just fine for wrapping around the chicken breast. This helps, of course it gives additional flavor. Everything tastes better with bacon, that's clear. But it also helps to have a juicy chicken breast inside. So 3 slices, as I mentioned, are quite good here. Now we're gonna take some little wooden skewers or some toothpicks, whatever you have, just to fix the bacon a little bit on your chicken breast. Best would be to put this at these places where the bacon ends or starts, so it will stay in shape. Last one at the end, we're gonna put this completely through the chicken breast, and there you go, ready, 1 jalapeno popper stuffed bacon wrapped chicken breast. So that's it. We have preheated the Broil King Imperial gas grill for 140 degrees Celsius. We're going to grill this one here for approximately 35 minutes, and after 35 minutes, ta-da! The chicken breast looks like this. Absolutely brilliant color of the bacon. There's nothing gone out from the cheese. Everything stays inside. Then you might take your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm going to glaze this one for another 15 minutes. We're going to let this grill so the barbecue sauce starts caramelize a little bit. It gets a little bit of a crust and sweetness. So after the 10 minutes, this is the result. A real delicious looking chicken breast, nice bacon color. And if we cut in, we see the cheese stayed completely inside. That's it. And of course, I will show you now by pressing on to see how juicy that is. This is really good. I like that idea. I got this from one of those tasty videos. I really like to enjoy, creating the grill versions out of these ideas. So we're gonna take a slice, and I will take a bite now. Of course, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. As always, you can check it out there. So that's it. I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please hit that like button and leave me a comment if you are into jalapeno popper stuffed chicken breasts. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.